Today we will learn to construct an angle of 22.5 degree. So as you notice, 22.5 degree is equal to 45 by 2, which is 22.5, and 45 degree angle is equal to 90 by 2, which is 45. So how we can draw this angle is, first we will construct an angle of 90 degree, then we will make a perpendicular bisector and we will make an angle of 45 degree. Then we will make a perpendicular bisector for angle 45 degree, and then we would get angle 22.5 degree. So let's start. First step is to make a line segment of any measurement. Suppose we make a line segment of measurement, say 10 centimeter. We can name this line as AB. We can name this line as AB. This is of length or measurement 10 centimeter. Then the step now is to construct an angle of 90 degree. So we will take a compass of any radius, and keeping the compass tip at point A, we will draw an arc. This is the arc, and then keeping the compass tip at point C, we would draw an arc to intersect the previous drawn arc. And then we will again make an arc by keeping the compass tip at point D with the same radius to intersect the first arc, which is this one. So we will take the compass, keep the compass tip at point D with the same radius, draw an arc to intersect the first arc. Now, keeping the compass tip with the same radius at points D and E, we will make an arc upwards. First we will make an arc by keeping the compass tip at point T with the same radius, and then we will make an arc to intersect this arc from point T. Then we will join this line segment. An angle FAB is equal to 90 degree. Angle FAB is equal to 90 degree. So first part of our construction is over. This is of 90 degree. Now we will make a perpendicular bisector of AB to have an angle of 45 degree. So the steps are: take your compass and with the radius more than half of AB, keep the compass tip at point A and make an arc, and then no, not at point A, keep the compass tip at point C and make an arc, and then keep an compass tip on point G. This is point G. Keep the compass tip at point G and make an arc to intersect the previous drawn arc. These are the arcs. Okay. And then join this line segment. So angle HAB is of 45 degree. So angle HAB is of 45 degree. Recheck the measurement by a protractor. This angle is of 45 degree. Okay. Now make a perpendicular bisector for 45 degree, which is angle HAB. Angle HAB. Okay. So keep the radius as more than half AB and keep the compass tip at point C and draw an arc, and then keep the compass tip at point I. This is point I, this point I. And then keep the compass tip at point C. First we had kept the compass tip on point C and we had drawn an arc. Then keep the compass tip at point I and draw an arc to intersect the previous drawn arc. This was the first arc drawn from point C, and this is the second arc drawn from point I. So we would join the line segment. So angle JAB is of 22.5 degree. You would check the measurement. This is angle JAB. So we will check the measurement for angle JAB. We want 25 degree. Yes, as you can see, this angle is of 25 degree. So angle JAB is equal to 22.5 degree. Angle JAB. Okay, so the steps for this construction was, first we made a line segment AB, then we kept the tip of the compass at point A and we had drawn an arc, this arc, and then we had kept the compass tip at point C, and with the same radius we had drawn an arc here, and then we kept the compass tip at point D, and with the same radius we had drawn an arc here to intersect the first arc. Then we kept the compass tip at point E to the same radius to make an arc upwards. This was the arc made by point E, and we kept the compass tip at point D and we with the same radius made an arc to intersect the first arc. This was the second arc. So we had joined this line segment, which is FA. Angle FAB was of 90 degree. Then we had to make a perpendicular bisector so that we could have an angle of 45 degree. So we kept the compass tip at point G, and with the radius as more than half of AB, we drawn an arc, this arc. And then we kept the compass tip at point C, and with the same radius, which is more than half AB, we had made an arc to intersect the first arc. This was the second arc. And we had joined this line segment, which is HA. So angle HAB is of 45 degree. Then we had made an angle of 22.5 degree. For that we had made an perpendicular bisector from angle 45 degree so that we can have 22.5 degree. So keeping the compass tip at point C and the radius as more than half of AB, we made an arc. And then keeping the compass tip at point E, I, we made an arc which is more than radius half AB here. And then we had joined this line segment, which is AJ, and angle JAB is of 25 degree.